Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the weight of an object on Venus is approximately 9/10 of its weight on Earth, and the weight of an object on Jupiter is approximately 23/10 of its weight on Earth. And we have a particular object that weighs 100 pounds on Earth. We're asked how many more pounds does it weigh on Jupiter than on Venus. So on Earth, we're told it's 100 pounds. On Venus, it's 9/10 of its weight on Earth, so 9/10 of 100 pounds. 100 divided by 10 is 10, so we have 9 times this, which is 10 pounds, is equal to 90 pounds. And then on Jupiter, similar thing, except it's 23/10 times 100 pounds. Again, 100 divided by 10 is 10 times 23, which is 230 pounds. And we're asked, how much more does it weigh on Jupiter than it weighs on Venus? Well, this is just going to be the difference between them. So 230 minus 90, which if you do it out is 140. So if an object weighs 100 pounds on Earth, it weighs 140 more pounds on Jupiter than it weighs on Venus, so C is going to be your answer.